Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video I will be showing you how I was able to create this frosty snowflake Christmas look. So if you guys are interested, make sure to keep on watching. To prime my eyelids, I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Toffee. We're going to jump right into Taking Back to Brazil palette and use that deep blue with a Morphe blending brush and apply it straight to my eyelids. First I packed on the color and then I went ahead and blended it out. Make sure you take the time to blend out your eyeshadow because at the end it really does make a big difference. I'm going back into the same concealer as we did before and I'm going to be creating a half cut crease on my eyelid. I just put like 2 or 3 layers of this concealer just to make sure that the eyeshadow that I will be putting on sticks on the concealer. Using a flat brush, I'm going into those 2 turquoise-like colors and I'm going to start applying it where we applied the concealer. Now I'm going into a pigment that I got from NYX Lash Beauty. I got it in a set and I'm still using the same flat brush. This is how the pigment looks like. It came in full and as you can see it's more than halfway done, and that's because I dropped it on the floor, so like yeah, that's a lot of product wasted. But anyways, I just wanted to go ahead and add this color to my lid just to give it more of a pop and dramatize the color. Finally, I'm going into the NYX White Blanco liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to apply that on my eyelid as you would a regular eyeliner and create a cat eye. This part was super annoying, the fact that the eyeliner kept getting on my eyelashes. I guess it usually does happen with black eyeliner, but I don't notice it as much because it's black on black, but this time being white on black, it really irked me so much. So to correct that, I just had to go back and use a black eyeliner and like put it on my eyelashes, if that makes sense. Right now I'm creating the little snowflake, so I'm making an X and then putting like a line straight down the middle, and then I'm gonna create some little baby lines on the big lines that I made. It's just really very easy, very simple. Just make sure to have enough room. Right now I'm applying some little dots just to make it look like that it's snowing all around the snowflake. I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Eyeliner in shade Sapphire, I believe that's what it's called, and I'm going to apply it right in the center of the snowflake. For lashes, I'm using the Audrina lashes in Style Banger. For my bottom lower lash line, whatever it's called, I'm applying those 2 same colors that we applied on the lid with the same flat brush. And using a really small brush, I'm going to go in that white in the Taking Back to Brazil palette and apply it in the inner corner of my eye. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash and I'm just applying that onto my eyelashes. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will be doing a giveaway. I've had this palette for a while. I never used it, obviously. I just didn't know when I should do a giveaway. But since we're near Christmas time, I felt like it should be a perfect time to go ahead and do that. The palette is the NYX Lash Beauty palette. I've used this before in my videos. It is a 35E palette. Like I said, this is new. I have one of my own and then I have this one. So it's still in case. Go ahead and open it if I can. Okay, so here we go. This is how it looks like. These are all the colors. Again, this is a 35E. This is basically a dupe for the Morphe 35B palette that they discontinued. I don't know why. Yeah, there's 35 different colors that come within the palette. So if you guys are interested to join the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and also to follow me on Instagram. That way, if you win, I can go ahead and DM you all that stuff. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed already. I really do appreciate it. But yeah, that is all I have for this video. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked it, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see some stuff. I actually have another Instagram that I'll put it. It's Indalecia, my name, with just 2 A's on it. That is specifically just for my makeup videos, makeup looks. So if you guys are interested in keeping up with my makeup looks, I will be posting all of them on that Instagram account. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys definitely enjoy the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.